Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got the all-new WoodStarter Compound Miter Saw here. This thing is awesome. It is cordless. There's no cord at all. You'll just pop your little battery right here, which I'll show you on the screen now. And once you have that, it is also only about 22 pounds. I weighed myself, and then I weighed this with me, and it came out to about 22 pounds heavier. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna break down everything that comes with it. You get your pamphlet. Everything else is assembled except for these two handles on the side, which are optional, and they just screw down with 2 screws each. This thing comes off as well as this little hold down tray, which I'll show you in just a second here. That's it. It's super easy. The blade comes pre-assembled. It has the lock feature, so if you push down, unlock, you can get your compound miter saw to go up. There is a little handle in the back here that you unscrew, and it'll allow you to go forward and backwards to cut up to 12-inch material here. So you can go down, cut your material all the way back, and then lift up, and that's essentially how you'll use it. This thing is super impressive. I love how lightweight it is. My other one was so heavy, and you had the cord, you had to worry about it. This one you can take anywhere on the back of the truck. Wherever you want to go, this thing is awesome. Another thing that's nice is you can tighten down this sliding back and forth motion. That way it is a compound miter saw just right here if you're going to do smaller objects only, like smaller width material. That way you don't have to pull it all the way out here and push it back every single time. The other thing that it can do is, as you noticed, it is on an angle right now. You loosen this up the front, and then you can go to like 0 degrees, or you can go all the way up to 45 degrees in either direction to cut 45-degree angles. You can also tilt the saw left or right. I'm not going to do that, but there's a handle in the back that you loosen, and you can actually tilt it left or right. It will go mainly to the right. You can go to the left, but you might have to loosen a screw according to the instructions, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, this product is super impressive. I highly recommend that you use it. I'll go ahead and throw up some clips of us using this thing here. And all of this cutting that you see here was just some practice, but we ended up using a bunch of this OBS board to make a vaulted ceiling around my lights because it was too bright in the shop. This dimmed it down a little bit, and it turned out fantastic. Highly impressed with WoodStarter. If you don't know them, they also go by Sain Smart. They're on their 15th year anniversary this year, and this new product is awesome here. If you guys have any questions on this, let me know and put it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them.